No cap. Solo alleged.
Told you, man. Get out these fuck ass woods,
bro. Why can't I just get my fucking sneakers, bro? You got me out here in slides.
Should have been getting prepared. Hey, let's take a rest right here on this log.
Fuck.
Log.
I would like to put my hands through. It's not even like.
Go one across because we're all fat. All right. Shit, I'm going. You wait. Don't go on here. Let me turn around first. Stop fucking swearing. All right, come on.
I didn't really even. As soon as you get on my. I didn't really come.
Come on, bro.
Stop. No. Boy, stop playing with me. There's like 3 paths.
We came from that way. We came from the left.
Okay, but there's 3 paths now, Julius.
What does your gut say?
Y'all niggas pack compasses. Pull out the compass. How you lose it?
Yeah, I think I left mine in the
Where's
car.
your fucking compass?
I left mine in the car, dog.
Then why did you buy it?
I got this thing though.
Let's find the rest. What are you gonna do?
Oh, you're gonna throw it.
I'm not gonna throw it, bro. Come on, I'm not.
Oh, I think the plastic is still on.
Bro, I'm not a dickhead, bro. Give me this.
No, because this was like $17.
Bro, I'm not gonna. Supposed to help us find. Oh wait. What?
You said you were
I'm not gonna throw it, bro.
Native American.
Knock's chicken up.
Now tell me where the fucking compass is. I bet you wish you had the compass now. Huh? Leave that shit in the car. You too, motherfucker.
Fuck you. This nigga making a spear.
Listen, bro. I'm about to spear your ass, baby. Y'all just want a pocket seat right here, bro? You know it.
This is where we want to take camp?
I think, yeah. I think this is about as close as we gonna get.
Yeah, man.
Y'all want to take camp here?
Yes.
Alright.
Come on, die. I was doing luggage.
Fuck. Alright. Bro, you mad at my chicken? Bro, you have no food, no water.
I saw a lake over there, like a little stream. I just stick this in the ground and drink.
You're gonna stick that in the ground and drink.
Yes, that's what it's made for.
He's gonna stick that in the ground and drink.
In the ground?
And drink.
Yeah, in the water.
You gonna get corona.
Bro, you pulled the hammy already.
Yeah, I know.
And in retrospect, man, you're bear food.
What?
You're bear food.
You're barefoot.
You're bear food. I'm not the one with a messed up hammy at the moment and in slides.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, you guys would not let me go to the car.
Bro, that could have been one of your items, bro.
Up the ante.
Up the ante.
Up the ante, right?
At least we got a sacrifice. I mean, if the bear comes.
Yep.
Oh, if you think I can't get gone or something, nigga, I'll hit my little Naruto. I'm gone, nigga. I'll kick the sides off and go like fucking Tarzan. I don't give a damn. Why don't you take him on, brother bear? Why don't you just talk to him?
You goddamn right. I'll be like, yo, eat first.
If we want to take shelter, we might as well just do it here.
Let's do it, bro. Fuck it.
I'm good.
You have no choice but to be good. You don't have shit on you.
I'm good, bro.
You don't have no chicken, no drink. You have a life straw.
And a multi-tool.
And nigga brought a straw to survive the winter. He got a life straw. Hey. Well, I guess the first thing we gotta do is build shelter. Anyone know how to build some shelter?
Bro, you bought a tent.
Bro, what an accent. Didn't you buy a big ass knife?
You said it.
You put it back.
Bro, no one even would have fucking seen us with a fucking machete out here. Why did you tell me to put that shit back?
Why would you listen to me?
He doesn't want you to know.
You know that's the first smart thing he said?
What?
Why did I listen to him? That's the first smart thing he said this whole time. Man, why the fuck did you do this shit? I'm gonna build a tent. Emergency tent. Nope.
You better pick that up. We don't litter.
Bro, can I just build a tent?
Put up your tent.
I'm trying to build a tent.
Fucking up
Yeah.
With a box for my tent.
Pollution.
But I mean, it's a tent at a good price too. But why does it look like
They keep the heat in.
Exactly. It keeps you hot. You got a hot tent. Bro, you about to cook.
Yeah.
You about to cook himself.
Fat back ribs.
This nigga really about to be bad food, bro. Straight barbecue.
Will fall off the bone.
Why does it come out here with some aluminum foil? You got a lighter, bro? You can reheat that chicken up.
you're funny, huh? You're so fucking funny.
People,
Man, just lay on it, bro. Just fucking lay on it.
this is the man not to call in a forest type
Listen.
situation.
If you want to be bougie and have a like perfectly set up tent, okay. But nigga, all we need is somewhere to lay and a simple lemonade
You gotta go back to the junkyard, bro.
and chicken. Hey, get out of my tent. Get the hell out of my tent,
Let me
bro.
zoom out.
Bro, get out of my tent.
Stick like right in the middle of it. Just stand it up.
Yeah, and you should kiss my ass. That's what you should do.
You hungry, Darnell?
Get that shit out. Get out. Get the fuck out of here with that shit, man.
You hungry? Yeah, vote down in the comments below. Whose campsite looks better?
Y'all know who got to win that shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already know. What do you got?
Nature.
It's time to eat. It's time to eat supper. You ready?
Oh! Somebody! Oh! He needs some milk.
It look good to me.
Delicious.
Yeah, it needs some milk. This nigga is fucking lemonade. Is it good, Darnell? You need some drinks.
Hey, how's this protein bar?
Shit, no more.
Need to fucking build a shelter or prepare to start a fire or something
We don't need no fucking fire, bro. It's hot.
for the night. When it gets to night, we need to start like, gathering wood or something.
Bro, there's wood all around us.
Just light the whole forest on fire. We're good. It's light a fire right there, right where you sitting at.
Right where I'm sitting at.
Yeah, fuck it.
We need wood.
I got you. I got you, bro.
Stop throwing wood at me. Stop.
It's all good. I'm gonna just go to sleep comfortably.
Yep. On an empty stomach. No, drink up, motherfucker. Drink up.
Fucking does suck. All because of a fucking YouTube challenge. Pretty sure y'all aren't like a bunch of sci-fi nerds or whatever, but I'm a fan of a movie they call Star Wars, the franchise Star Wars. And I think it was the third movie of the original trilogy where it got really cold and they were on Hoth. Luke was in a cave. No, he run across the tundra and his tauntaun died.
Yeah, you putting your neck to
The tauntaun died and he was freezing.
Uh-huh.
So you know what he did?
What'd he do?
Hey, this nigga. Oh, shit.
What the fuck, man?
Nigga, where the fuck you get sauce from?
I told you it came with the chicken.
Oh, shit. String, where that? I help you up.
Yeah, throw him down the line.
You can grab it.
I can't rip this shit. That's my lemonade.
Oh. Keep on, motherfucker. Keep on, motherfucker.
It's delicious. This shit is. It's supposed to be a torch. It sound like a fart.
I just said.
Well, we need to build a fire. Will you stop eating my chicken?
This motherfucker.
Hey, you gonna break my hat.
Oh, he's trying to burn his head.
Fuck your hat, nigga. Fuck your hat.
He crispied it, dude. Look at that.
Hey, wait, that's so funny.
This was not a good idea. Probably one of the worst ideas we've ever had.
Worst idea you've had. Worst idea he had.
Shut up.
I came along for the ride. He's not paying me or nothing. You're not.
I'm not making money off this shit.
Bro, you better go get some money somewhere. You got a job. You pay me
I
something.
don't have a job. You have a job.
You got that unemployment money.
Where the nigga go?
Oh, we don't have to walk back to civilization.
Yeah.
I'm really pissed off.
I hate you, motherfucker. I hate you. All right, bro. We need to get wood for a shelter, bro. Who's gonna come? Are you gonna watch the fort? Someone gotta watch the fort.
Man, let's go. Let's get this
All
shit
right, bro.
over
Let's
with,
go.
bro. Let's do it. Don't we need like stones too? To like keep the fire hot.
Bro, I mean, we got lighters, bro. I just feel like we need some sticks. We light the shit up with our lighters.
We got one?
Yeah, we got lighters.
Oh yeah, you do that. There's more sticks that way.
Bro, this power sticks right here.
Nah, you going down there to get it. Pass them up. you pass them up.
Bro, I fell in the last pit, nigga. You gotta go get these sticks.
Should have stayed down there and passed some sticks up, motherfucker.
Well, there were no sticks in there, bro. I feel like that used to be like a trap back in the day or something, bro. Damn, man, fuck's that? Got some stick for the firewood. Got the firewood. Yo, what's that nigga doing? Oh. What's he doing?
Put a stick at his ass, bro.
Bro, is he siphoning your water through the Is he taking water through the straw? You probably found use for that straw.
Yeah.
Burp.
Later.
I'm fucking done. Let's fucking leave. Hey, I fucking tap. Fuck this. The cockroach won. Alright, the cockroach fucking won. Let's fucking go.
So you gotta give me $20.
Get out of here. Get out of here first.
I want my $20.
Get out.
It's a unanimous decision.
I need $20.
Up and get out, because we gotta walk back, dude.
The cockroaches won.
Oh no, man, that shit can ruin my fucking whole.
What even happened?
I touched some wet stuff, bro. I don't think
Wet
it was.
Solo won the day. You know what I'm saying? Loser 1 and loser 2.
You fell in the fucking hole.
Yeah, fuck you. Yo, fuck you for that though.
I ain't never seen you run like that, bro.
What do you mean?
I ain't never seen you run.
Bro, I run way for bro. Yeah, bro, I'm gonna take off if I see shit. I'm not fucking with the wilderness. Them animals got it, bro. I'm in their territory. They got that shit. Now, we stayed in there for a total. I'm gonna go ahead and say we were there for 2 hours max. But hey, I could have went for 3. I could have went that bitch for 3 hours. Yeah. This is something I'll never do again. This is the worst idea you guys have had.
Us?
Yes.
Yeah, dog. I swear on my shit, I'm gonna kick your ass. He was like,
This is the worst idea they've had ever. Oh, stop.
Wait.
Ruler. Yeah. I'm gone no gelato. Coolin' with a little thick chick who thinks she the shit cause she drive a nice auto.